Yo, what's going on, homies? I hope you guys are having an excellent evening, like happy holidays, all that great stuff. So after the live stream, I saw this great analysis. We want to go over something I think that I personally think is going to happen. I think this has a high probability of happening, and of course, you need to make your own opinions. You need to make your own decisions and do your own research. Check out the crypto homie. I'm sure you check out other people on the interwebs as well, and then make your own judgment based off all the data that is out there. Of course, guys, before we get into it, smack the likes, smack the subscribes, and we're powered by. So starting things off right here on the monthly chart, I actually forgot May has 31 days. I thought it was 30. So I thought tonight was the close for the monthly, but it's not the case. I'm wrong there. Personally, for me to be bullish, to at least start being bullish on Bitcoin, crypto in general, I want to see us close above the low here of July/June 2021, which is around basically $35,000. At the time of this video right here, we are at 31.5. So, I mean, we got ways to go for that to happen. Of course, this monthly candle, as you can see, it is showing some buying pressure right there with the wick on that side, more than that, than the top side. But let's be real, guys, it's not looking good based off what the Fed, guys. Fed, QT happening, guys. They're raising rates. They're basically going to combat this inflation and do whatever they have to do to knock down your gas prices, knock down your food. Everything is rising. I mean, it's kind of insane. Anything that's risk on asset, including the stock market, including Bitcoin, crypto, altcoins, NFTs, whatever you name it, is going to go down if they keep raising rates. It just will happen. I mean, here we just check out the stock market here, like on the monthly. It is trending down right here, guys. You see this? If you compare the chart, as we can see here, this right here is the stock market. We go pull up, let's do a side-by-side, Rick, real quick. Let's pull up Bitcoin. Let's clean this up. Look, as you guys can see, comparing it to the weekly. Let's go back. Okay, so now it's on the monthly. As you guys can see, we're comparing monthly to monthly. What I want to point out, though, is right here, 2009/2008. Look at how the stock market on the left side of your screen, the US 100 index, and then look at how Bitcoin did from, well, I mean, it's basically when it's been around since 2009, 2008, and look at how it's been doing. Interesting. Every time we blew off tops, it was green over here, so just keep that in mind. It was looking pretty good where it came to a top before a dump there. So I'm just saying, stock market, if the stock market here keeps going down, we're most likely, Bitcoin's most likely to go down. They're raising rates, QT right now. So it's not necessarily, moon boy stuff, not what we want to see. I understand the live streams, I do put out some moon boy analysis just to show the opposite of what I'm thinking is going to happen, But at the end of the day, guys, I really don't believe their moon boy analysis is going to happen. Anybody can sit here and pull up a fractal and be like, oh, yo, this is going to happen, man. We're going to the moon, man. It's going to happen. You know what I mean, guys? It's they're just trying to get followers because that's what it works. If you sit there and lie, you sit there and say, oh, we're going to the moon, then yes, people will follow you because they make some warm and fuzzy inside. You're getting a dopamine hit, and it's, oh, this feels so good, man. And they're having a good day. But their portfolio goes down. So, yeah, that right there is my take. But I did want to point out after the live stream, I saw Will's outlook. I think this is a great post. So let's just get into it. Excuse me. So we got exit liquidity before the next FOMC meeting. Funny how fast people forget what is going on in the world around them. So let's pull this up. Here's a great detailed chart right here, guys. Will is from Fundamental Secrets. Link down below to join. I believe it's like $5 for 5 days. Anyways, so he has some possible scenarios here. He says, watch out for the FOMC meeting on the 16th. This could be an exit liquidity move. Wait for confirmation. So, guys, I know for some of you this could be a little complex, so let's just break this down right here. He has his short zone. He says if they move into this zone, big short here, sort of like around this region, he's saying he'd personally start shorting. And then I guess right here as well, if it starts moving up in this range, he's probably shorting right now too. But hey, I mean, I'm not really sure what he's doing, but that's what it seems like. Anyways, as you can see, his ABC's possible scenarios where we end up just rallying back up to around, it looks like 33K, and then coming back down, slamming down, breaking the low. His arrow just going down. So I'm assuming what he's meaning is, hey, we're just going to break that 25K low of the wick that we had Or a possibility is we actually would like continue rallying up, come down, make that higher low, come back up for a higher high, higher low, and rally back up, possibly all the way up to that $48,000, $49,000. And I just want to compare this real quick, because if we pull up the Gaussian channel, let's make this visibly pleasing. The 47, okay, so yeah, so 46 is the middle, and he just pointed out here because of the top right there of the 48. So yeah, I mean, of course, I personally don't believe we're probably going to hit the middle of the Gaussian. I don't think this is going to happen. I think it's a low probability, but that's my personal opinion. I still think it's a. I don't think we're going to break through the bottom here, 38. I think we'll come up with a nice little bull trap, bear trap. I mean, yeah, bull trap, suckers rally, whatever you want to call it. But I mean, guys, we're all speculating here. There's zero guarantees. I mean, like this thing could go to 48, and then it could go to 30, and then it could go like right back up to 60. Who really knows? But based off of, I mean, I think the big key takeaway though is what the Fed is doing, guys. I said it numerous times, raising rates. This is bad for risk on assets. So this right here is his analysis. I think it's point on. I definitely agree with it. Definitely interesting right here. And then this right here is a plain chart, basically saying he's probably going to start shorting right here. If I'm not mistaken, based off this previous chart, short zone, like in here and go from there. Because guys, I mean, it does seem likely that they just want some exit liquidity, and they're going from there. Please be careful, especially with Luna, guys. Please be careful. Luna/Luna Classic. I think that right there is exit liquidity for certain people in the space, if you know what I mean. So don't get caught holding the bags and going from there. See, but today, I understand today's exciting because look, we go the last 24 hours. We got waves up almost 100% in the last 24 hours. Axie Infinity up 40%, Helium up 22%, Hex up 8%. I mean, the Hexicans are having a blast. I mean, they were suicidal the other day, but now they're so excited because it's up 18%. Aave up. I mean, guys, you guys got a lot of stuff in the green. People are having euphoria. I mean, this right here is an amazing time. Imagine if this lasts for another day or two where things just go absolutely insane. Yeah, and then, of course, when he's saying the FOMC meeting on the 16th, could just be a power move to basically take some more money from your hard-earned pocket, if you know what I mean. So do you guys agree with this? Do you disagree? Let me know your comments down below. I know there's a lot of people that are extremely bullish. They're letting their emotions get to them. So is that you, or are you like, you know what, I'm staying level-headed. I'm not going to allow that to happen. Let me know your thoughts down below and all that great stuff. So of course, guys, thank you for tuning in. Smack the likes, smack the subscribes. You guys know how it goes. We're live Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And until next time, may the gains be with you.